How about in green? What's there? Snara! How is it me? It's you stuffed the thing. Hey guys, it's your girl Sin.
And I'm Ariel.
And today
we have the Jamaican Shoppe episode 1.
Okay, so basically we've been reaching out to some local brands and some of them have responded, and we're just gonna try some authentic Jamaican skincare.
Yes.
We're talking the brand IrieRock. Yes, so IrieRock sent us a couple goodies, you know what I mean? They sent us some
cleansers, they sent us some serums,
yeah,
they sent over a mask.
Yeah.
So we tried them out for you guys over like a period of maybe 2 weeks, 3. It's been a long time coming.
It's been almost like a month.
Yes.
Because we wanted to give you guys like a really honest review of the product.
Yes, and like actually see effects. So we had to, you know, take our time to try this one out for you guys.
Yeah, so that's what we did today, guys. If you guys want to stay tuned, you want to see how we use these products and how they work for our skin, make sure you stay tuned and keep watching.
So IrieRock sent over 2 cleansers for us to try out, and we have one for a normal or dry skin,
and we have one for oily and acne prone skin.
So with the Glycolic Plus, it's a skin resurfacing facial cleanser with glycolic acid, and it's recommended for dry, aging and normal skin. So this one, I use this one. It's very strange, but I realized the trick. Wash your face twice. So the first time, you know, after you wash your hand, you know, wet up your face, rub in some in your fingernail and then rub it on your face. Just really quickly wash it off, and then now you're going at the real belly crampings and rampings. The real face wash them time there, guys. It's the consistency is also weird. It's like a wet jelly, kind of.
It's really weird.
It's weird. It's clear though. So
it also smells kind of weird.
Yeah, it smells like acid. Like it actually smells like acid, but not in like a.
If you're used to glycolic acid, like the same thing.
Yeah. I actually really like this cleanser, but it cleared out my skin within a week. It actually smoothed out my skin texture before it even started clearing up anything. I really like this cleanser. The only issue I had with this cleanser is it turned like around my mouth, really dark. I don't know if it's because of the I cleansed too much because of the acid, or because my skin is just like getting used to it, or if I'm like allergic. I'm not stop using it though. But it has started to lighten, so it's not like completely awful.
Yeah, you can probably see it on camera.
Yeah, you can definitely see the darkness. I didn't color correct, so you can see like the darkness around the sides of my mouth, but it is clear enough. Yeah, this cleanser is actually really nice. I would definitely use it again, but I'd say maybe use it, if you're gonna use it morning and night, use it every other day when you just start, you know, just to see if it is gonna like make your skin crazy. But I really like this, and I'm definitely gonna continue using it. It doesn't set up until you wash your face like the first time and the second time.
Because even this one is for oily and acne prone skin. It's a tea tree and witch hazel deep pore facial cleanser with salicylic acid. And it's supposed to have like, I think both of them have like no parabens, colorants.
Yeah, because I think that's
like a
thing
natural, brand.
Yeah.
Initially when I saw it, I liked it because I like the idea of using tea tree and witch hazel. I think that's like really good. It works really good with my skin. But the first time I used this cleanser, it was so strange because it doesn't sud. And I'm not used to using cleansers that don't sud. So it kind of feels like I'm just rubbing like
water, basically.
Water gel like on my face. And it's a really weird thing. But then I realized like after I washed my face, I really loved how my skin like felt.
Yeah.
Like it felt really like soft, like it felt really supple. It didn't feel like stripped. So I guess if you're looking for like a gentle cleanser, like if you have like really acne prone skin and other cleansers like dry out your skin, I feel like this one would work really, really, really well for you.
So they also sent over a vitamin C brightening serum, which you're gonna see us use it in the video, and you know, we're just starting, you know, getting used to this one.
I generally like vitamin C serums, so like if you have like acne prone skin or you have like a really uneven skin tone, I'd really suggest like investing in a vitamin C serum. So I'm actually very, very happy that they sent this over to us.
Yeah.
Okay, so the other item that they sent over is this detoxifying hydrating mask with glycolic acid and activated charcoal. and it's recommended for normal, dry, aging skin. Okay, so this mask this mask contains bentonite clay and is enriched with vitamins and antioxidants to detox and brighten your skin.
Yes.
So that's basically what you're going to expect when you use this. Activated charcoal is really good for like
detoxifying.
Yeah, like getting all the impurities out of your skin, and glycolic acid is also good for like maintaining like an even skin tone. So both of those ingredients together in a mask is actually like a very interesting mix, but I feel like that's better for your skin. That's really good for your skin in a sense. Yeah, the texture of this is very...
It's weird. I used it like 3 times already. I used this like 3 times already, and I liked it actually. It kind of tingled a little bit, but I love when it tingles. It's not thick, so you're gonna see the B-roll.
Yeah, it's kind of watery, but
it's really watery. But then when you rub it on your face and it dries, you can like see
the product. Yeah, I realized it's like a trend with most of their products that they're very gentle and they're not like harsh on your skin.
They don't dry it out
exactly.
or make it stiff, which I really like.
I actually appreciate that because it's rare that you can find products that actually that are good for your skin and it's like cleaning and detoxifying,
but doesn't dry you out.
Exactly.
Yeah, this is a really nice mask actually.
Okay guys, so also if you guys are wondering, we didn't change like the other products in our skincare routine, like our moisturizers and toners and stuff like that. And that's what I like about this brand. Most of the products, like if you don't like 1 or 2 things, it actually works like well in your skincare routine. So you don't have to like go out and get everything. But if you do feel like you need a mask, you can just go get the mask and it will work well in your routine.
Yeah. So we'll leave the description. So we'll leave the link to IrieRock in the description below, guys, as well as maybe some little other tidbits.
Okay, so guys,
we have a little giveaway.
Okay, so guys, we have a little giveaway for you. One lucky subscriber is going to win an IrieRock product. You're going to get the detoxifying mask. And as we said before, we really love this mask and we really wanted one of our subscribers to try the mask out. Okay? We really want one of our subscribers to try the mask out and, you know, just tell us how they feel and if they're into Jamaican skincare and supporting Jamaican brands like that. So yeah, if you want to be a part of this giveaway, here are the rules.
Subscribe to the channel.
Like this video. We're coming up with these rules on the spot. Okay,
so the giveaway rules are...
For real this time.
Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and for an extra entry...
Better in it twice.
You can leave a comment and telling us if you've tried IrieRock before. You guys can leave a comment below, you know, even if you don't want to enter the giveaway, you can still subscribe, you can still like the video, share it with your friends, with your mom,
with your uncles, with your aunts, ratchet cousin you don't talk to anymore. Every single person you know. And if you guys are already subscribed to our channel,
thank you.
Thank you for coming back. We appreciate you. Sending my love through the camera.
Nobody wants that. So thank you guys again for watching and we'll see you guys in our next video.